You won't believe how easy this baked chicken recipe is. If you love chicken then, this one's for you. Super easy, flavorful, and perfect for dinner. You have seen some popular chicken recipe like Best Chicken Breast by Epicurean, then Ultimate Chicken Dinner by Kitchen Sanctuary, Honey Garlic Chicken Breast by Rarepet Eats, and the most popular one is Delicious and Easy Chicken Breast Recipe by Essen Recipes. Today I'm showing you how to make baked chicken quarters. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need: chicken quarters, leg with thigh together, olive oil or butter, your choice. And here are our veggies: onions and bell pepper, salt and pepper, and optionally some paprika or chili powder for a little heat. Simple stuff, nothing fancy, just good flavor. Get all of your dry ingredients into one place, add the chili powder, some black pepper, also couple pinches of kosher salt. Mix it with a whisk. Let me show you how to cut your veggies. Cut top and bottom first and remove the waste with those seeds. Chop them as you like, some little some big, it doesn't matter. Put them into the baking tray, spread them evenly. So, with those onions do the same thing, cut them like this ring size and spread. Why not like this video, and subscribe to my channel? I have left many recipes to share. You can ask me anything in the comments. Pour some olive oil on them and leave them aside. Come to the chicken quarters, lay them down on board, and rub the spices. Let the chicken sit with the seasoning for 15 to 30 minutes so it soaks in those flavors. But don't worry if you don't, it still turns out great. Put those quarters on top of the veggies, and sprinkle every last bit of that spices. Now, cover this up, and put the tray in preheated oven. Bake for around 35 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven and size of the pieces. Check it, if it's done or not. You want the skin golden and crispy, juices running clear, not pink near the bone. After it's done, let the chicken rest for a few minutes before cutting. This lets the juices redistribute so it stays moist. Take a plate with rice, and grab a nice piece. If it's juicy and well cooked, you know you did good. Serve it up with any side you like: roasted veggies, some mashed potatoes, rice, whatever you're feeling. Maybe a squeeze of lemon over the top gives a nice extra kick. If this video was helpful and you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in next video, or watch this one right now.